Time is 5:58.
It's gonna go north. It's southeast.
Oh, there is vortices!
On the ground.
Multiple vortices on the ground. Time is 6:03.
We are approximately 5 miles west-southwest of El Reno. Staring at a tornado on the ground.
Oh, it's coming right at us, dude. Oh, multiple vortices.
Oh, there it is. Oh my god.
Can you turn my Vic cam? Turn my Vic cam, please.
It's lagging. Their lines are stuck.
It's alright. Oh, there's someone in there. Turn it down. Multiple vortices on the ground. Time is 6:04.
There it is. It's gonna happen.
I know. We're in the. It's coming right at us, dude. Oh god, we need to bail pretty soon.
It's like it's moving more.
Multiple vortex tornado. Oh my gosh, double tornado.
Just what? Dude. Is that you?
Yes, it's me.
Okay.
I'm sitting on the road.
I know. Go ahead. Good job, you got it.
Oh god. Oh my god, it's. Oh man, dude. Kevin, there's another one right here. We need to go north, man. Big tornado on the ground. Oh, Kevin, let me turn the vehicle. No, it's on the ground. It's on the ground. It is swirling right behind us to our north, south, and west. It is on the ground. We're at it's probably about 3 miles west of Morgan Road. There's a big tornado back in there. Watch out. Called RFD. Rain coming in. Rain coming in.